Dreaming of buying or selling in the gem state? Forget endless Google searches. YouTube is your secret weapon to finding the perfect Idaho realtor. Let's face it, traditional realtor searches can be bland, but YouTube, it's a whole new ballgame, packed with advantages you might not have even considered. First up, video testimonials. Hear directly from real clients, sharing their experiences with different Idaho realtors. You'll get a genuine sense of their personality, communication style, and how well they handle the home buying or selling process. Tired of outdated information? Many Idaho realtors use YouTube to provide regular market updates. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends, pricing insights, and inventory changes, all delivered straight to your screen. YouTube allows realtors to showcase their expertise in a way that text alone simply can't. Watch them explain complex topics, answer frequently asked questions, and position themselves as the go-to authority for all things Idaho real estate. And the best part, YouTube is visual. Realtors can use video to showcase properties in stunning detail, take you on virtual tour, and highlight the unique charm of different Idaho communities. Get a true feel for a place before you even set foot there. So ditch the boring directories and head over to YouTube. Search Idaho Realtor, browse their channels, and find the professional who truly resonates with you. Your dream home in Idaho could be just a YouTube search away.